Hi girls, I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought a poem with me that was written by the kindergarten teachers for you to learn this week's vocabulary words. And this poem is titled A Trip to the Sea. A trip means a journey, so this is a trip to the sea. The title is now circled in red at the top of the poem. Titles are usually written at the top of the poem for you to read it before starting to read the actual poem. Now I'm going to start reading the poem, and as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red so you can identify them with me. A trip to the sea. I went to the sea with so many emotions. Seaweed and shells deep in the ocean. Sand and water I found in the sea, and a Navy officer greeted me on a ship. So this is the poem. I hope you liked it. And now we're going to read the vocabulary words one more time. Sea, seaweed, shells, ocean, sand, water, Navy officer, and ship. Now we're going to review these vocabulary words with the flashcards. Sea, seaweed, shells, ocean, sand, water, Navy officer, ship. So now that you know the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time so you now know what the poem is about. A trip to the sea. I went to the sea with so many emotions, seaweed and shells deep in the ocean. Sand and water I found in the sea, and a Navy officer greeted me on a ship. I hope you like it. Bye bye. A big kiss for everybody.